Hey everybody, it's James once again from the Wall Street Minute, and I guess that Groundhog was right. If you look at oil prices, they're accelerating. Primarily, the big push lately is, as you've been probably made well aware by the blackouts in Texas, or the rolling blackouts, because Texas has this serious cold snap, which the power grid seems to be totally unprepared to deal with. On the flip side of all this, people are still talking about crypto like crazy. And while I remain skeptical because of the high level of volatility and the risk factors, blockchain technology appears to be here to stay and is really starting to take root all over the economy. This is big. Why? Because we're now in a low trust environment where many of the United States and global institutions are under suspicion. People just don't believe what they hear on the news. They don't believe the government represents them. They don't believe the court systems. They think the stock market is rigged. There's just this global sense of unease about all major institutions. And therefore, when you're in a low trust environment, what is the most viable technology, which is once again blockchain? Now, the flip side of this whole thing is a bunch of North Korean hackers have been indicted by the Department of Justice in the United States. And one of the issues, what they were doing is they were creating malicious applications using blockchain technology. So be careful out there. Anyway, this is James once again from the Wall Street Minute. Say hello, leave comments, and of course, give us a big thumbs up if you like what you hear.